Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting power and connectivity ready. Charge the earbuds above 20% and power them on, because low battery often blocks pairing. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and open the Bluetooth settings screen to watch available devices. Next, put the earbuds into pairing mode by holding the designated button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll usually see a flashing LED or hear a voice prompt. Pairing mode is the bridge that allows the phone and earbuds to find each other. You now complete the connection by selecting the earbud name in the Bluetooth list. Tap it and confirm pairing when prompted. If a PIN or permission request appears, allow it. Common default codes are 0000 or 1234, because denying permissions can stop media and call routing. Once paired, open the vendor app if available to update firmware, set EQ presets, and configure multi-point connections so the earbuds can switch between phone and laptop. You finish by testing both audio and the microphone. Play a song and make a quick call to confirm sound, mic pickup, and call routing. Then adjust the physical fit and touch control sensitivity so playback and gestures are reliable, and keep an eye on battery level in the Bluetooth menu. If things go wrong, no sound, one bud silent, or unstable connection, reset the earbuds using the manufacturer method, forget the device on your phone, and repair. That clears most pairing state problems and restores normal function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.